Hi everyone, I'm Louis from Hoffman's tech team. Ever wondered how a plate heat exchanger works? It looks complex, but the principle is actually quite brilliant and simple. Let me show you with our mini demonstration unit right here. So, what is a plate heat exchanger, or PHE? It's a pack of thin, corrugated metal plates stuck together. See these gaps between the plates? These gaps form separate channels for two different floods, one hot, one cold. The hot flood flows in the one side of the channels, and the cold flood flows in the adjacent set, but they never mix. The secret is in the plates. The corrugated pattern creates turbulence, which maximizes heat transfer. Heat from the hot flood passes through the thin metal plate directly to the cold flood. Think of it as a very efficient way of having a conversation between hot and cold without letting them touch. This mini model is a fully functional, scaled-down version. Our PHEs are super compact, highly efficient, and much easier to maintain. This design is a game changer for industries from data centers to ships to chemical plants. Its compact size delivers equal performance in a fraction of the space. Its design offers significantly higher efficiency, and maintenance is simplified for easy cleaning. This makes PHEs ideal where space, energy, and downtime are critical. However, each excels in different scenarios, so the key is matching the right technology to your specific duty. And that's where our expertise at Hoffman comes in. We help you analyze your process to select the optimal solution. And very often, for modern goals around efficiency and footprint, the PHE is the perfect answer. So that's the basic magic behind our plate heat exchangers: efficient, compact, and reliable. If you want to see how the technology can solve your thermal challenges, visit our website or just contact us. Thanks for watching.